Sessions 9 and 10, On-Time Performance. On-time performance measures the percentage of customer orders that are completed correctly and on schedule. On-time performance is one measure of variability. It is measured separately because of its importance to customers, external and internal. If your customers receive their orders on time and correctly, they will be pleased, they will continue to buy from you, and they will refer you to other potential customers. If your customers receive their orders late, or the orders are not correct, they will be upset, you risk losing them as customers, and you risk getting a bad reputation. To calculate on-time performance, divide the quantity of orders that are completed correctly and on schedule by the quantity of all orders scheduled. The same problem elimination tools we discussed earlier are used to increase on-time performance: run charts, Pareto charts, and fishbone diagrams. To increase on-time performance, begin measuring on-time performance and create a run chart. Identify and track on-time performance failures, that is, customer orders that ship later than scheduled, or orders that are incorrect for any reason, and for each on-time failure, list the reason why the order was late or incorrect. Then use that data to prepare a Pareto chart of on-time failure events. And then do a root cause analysis of each on-time failure, starting with the highest ranking failure type. Reducing process cycle time and variability will usually increase on-time performance. We will discuss cycle time and variability later on. Here's an example of a run chart for tracking on-time performance. And here is an example of a Pareto chart for on-time performance failures. For class exercise 11, the operators will calculate on-time performance for either the prior month or the month-to-date for the current month. Invite an employee who would have the data to calculate on-time performance. That is, the month-to-date quantity of orders that were scheduled to be delivered and the quantity of orders that were delivered on schedule and correctly. Ask the employee to present the data to the operators so the operators can calculate on-time performance. Using this formula, calculate month-to-date on-time performance, the number of orders completed on time for the month, divided by the quantity of orders scheduled for the month. Then begin a run chart for monthly on-time performance, add a new bar for each month, and update the calculation daily or weekly. The run chart in the exercise needs only to be done by the employee who is closest to the on-time performance data. This may be a customer service employee. The run chart should be posted where the operators can see it. For class exercise 12, have the same person who is tracking on-time performance prepare a Pareto chart and present it to the operators. For session 10, the operators will work on class exercise 13. The operators will review the Pareto chart from exercise 12 and list any reasons for on-time performance failure that their work area impacts. Then they will choose one of the failure types and do a fishbone diagram to discover the root cause for that failure type. Coming up next, cycle time.